Hi everyone, Stephanie here, and I'm here to give you another tip about lawn and gardening. If you live in Georgia in the Atlanta area, you have heard about all the ticks that are out and about and biting people. And I have a product for you that's going to help you controlling fleas and ticks in your backyard. Now, as you see, we got a little fur friend back there. And my whole goal every spring and summer is to make sure I don't carry any fleas or ticks in my backyard to help keep him safe. One reason, I am surrounded by woods. Back there in those woods, deer, fox, everything you can imagine comes from out of those woods. And what helps keep that population of ticks and fleas away from my backyard is I spray it with this. I know you've probably seen it, the Cutter Backyard Bug Control. I spray this every month. When it starts to get warm like this, I start spraying because you don't know when those fleas or ticks are dropping off the deer, the fox coming from those woods. And if you are in an area that is like mine, or if your neighbors have dogs, you don't know if your neighbors are putting something down in their lawn to control the flea and tick population. I remember when I sprayed this down last year at the beginning of the season, and I had some chairs over in my lawn. Soon as I started to spray, some little unknown bugs started jumping on the chair. I looked at it a little closer. They were ticks. And I had never seen ticks because I spray regularly with the Cutter Backyard when it starts to get warm. But that time I did see them. So I know that this stuff works. So it's important to make sure you're spraying your backyard, especially if you have neighbors with animals. They have dogs, they have cats. Keep your back lawn, keep your yard secure for you and your pets. So when you're ready to use it, connect it to your hose, pull the yellow tab, pull the white lever back, and spray away. So you can purchase this at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon. This time I did purchase this from Amazon. I got two for like 17 and some change. So that was really good. So I will link this in the description if you want to click on the Amazon link and purchase some for yourself. It's a really great product to have through the spring and the summer. I definitely recommend it. Last thing, if you are bordered by neighbors and you're spraying this, I would get those borders really well. Spray those borders really well so nothing comes from your neighbor into your lawn, because what's in your neighbor's lawn will eventually come to yours. Okay, that includes bugs and weeds. So take care with that. Spray your borders really well. If you're bordering like I'm bordering on those woods, I sprayed that border really well. All right, so you guys take care, and I will see you on the next video.